Hello, I am Travis Veatch, one of your customer support reps here in Middle Tennessee. Today we're going to talk about Maintenance Pro.
Here at Power Equipment, we understand all of our customers' needs for a well-planned maintenance program to utilize maximum uptime, profits, and reliability. Let us take the steps to minimize your chances of a catastrophic failure or unplanned downtime due to lack of or improper maintenance of your Komatsu or All Makes equipment. Together, we can work out a customized planned maintenance program to meet or exceed your expectations. Let's take a moment to go over what is covered under our Maintenance Pro program. Your scheduled maintenance will be performed on time and as specified in your operation and maintenance manuals for Komatsu and all makes and models. We will also include walk-around inspections of your equipment, which will cover frames, undercarriages, cylinders, visible hoses, lighting, and whatever else may need attention at the time. Also includes Komatsu oil and wear analysis, which would be COWL for short, and also provides you with Komatsu Care Link services. With so much at risk, know and take assurance that Power Equipment's Maintenance Pro program will more than pay for itself over time and will keep your equipment running at its peak performance. Additional services offered will include PM clinics, which will be machine-specified comprehensive diagnostic inspections designed to take a more proactive approach to your machine's maintenance. We'll check the performance of your equipment and measure key diagnostics such as engine speeds, hydraulic and transmission pressures, cycle times, and visual observation data. For each PM clinic performed, customers will receive a written report comparing with factory specifications to ensure equipment is operating as designed. Trend analysis and early problem identification will help reduce machine downtime along with parts and service costs. This will also include maintenance and repair contracts. These are Power Equipment solution to eliminate unknown maintenance and repair costs for your equipment. This should cover from hydraulic leaks to engine replacements. Customers' machines can be repaired without incurring additional cost. The contract includes fluids, labors, parts, mileage, and travel time for covered items. This is mostly applicable to moderate use of machines less than 2,500 hours per year. This will help provide a fixed hourly cost that can be used to budget and plan your operating expenses throughout the contract term, which is typically up to 8,000 hours. Our models currently covered under the Maintenance and Repair Contract Program are D39 through D65 size dozers, our PC138 through PC490 excavators, WA200 through WA500 wheel loaders, and our HM300 through HM400 size articulate trucks.
Now that we've had a few moments to discuss Maintenance Pro, please feel free to reach out to one of your customer support reps and ask how you can be signed up for this program.